growl, growl, growl. The camel in the desert says groan, groan, groan. The elephant by the water says trumpet, trumpet, trumpet. The giraffe eating leaves says hum, hum, hum. Snap, growl, groan, trumpet, hum. From A to Z the safari sings, wild creatures and the sounds they bring. The hippopotamus in the river says splash, splash, splash. The jaguar in the jungle says snarl, snarl, snarl. The kangaroo in the outback says thud, thud, thud. The lion on the plain says roar, roar, roar. The moose by the lake says bellow, bellow, bellow. Splash, snarl, thud, roar, bellow. From A to Z the safari sings, wild creatures and the sounds they bring. The ostrich in the sand says boom, boom, boom. The panda in the bamboo says chomp, chomp, chomp. The rhinoceros in the mud says snort, snort, snort. The tiger in the grass says growl, growl, growl. The walrus on the shore says bark, bark, bark. Boom, chomp, snort, growl, bark. From A to Z the safari sings, wild creatures and the sounds they bring. The Xerus on the hill says chirp, chirp, chirp. The yak on the mountain says grunt, grunt, grunt. The zebra in the meadow says neigh, neigh, neigh. Chirp, grunt, neigh. From A to Z the safari sings, wild creatures and the sounds they bring. A to Z we learn today. Animals shout and animals play. Through the jungle, sand and sea, sounds of nature, wild and free.